Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to protect your Twitter app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting an Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime trial subscription link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to protect your Twitter app. First, we'll start by opening up your Twitter. So once you open up your Twitter, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left-hand corner. We're going to see the three bars, upper left-hand corner. So make sure that you tap on those. When you tap on those left three bars, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. And make sure that you tap where it says settings and privacy. Right there, as you guys can see, I'm saying settings and privacy. Make sure they tap there. Once you're done that, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Look where it says privacy and safety. Privacy and safety. Right here, as you guys can see right there, privacy and safety. Make sure they tap there. When you tap there, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Look where it says protect your tweets. Right there. See how there's a white color right there within the white dot. So make sure that you tap on the dot right there when you tap it, and that's how you protect your Twitter app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.